In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an item's status in the Monday.com mobile app. By the end, you'll be able to confidently change an item's status on the go, keeping your team aligned and your workflows moving without ever opening a laptop. First, open the Monday.com app on your mobile device. You should land on the home page. If the app opens to a different screen, just navigate back to the main view so you can access your workspace list. On the home page, tap Workspaces. Workspaces are the top-level areas that organize your teams and projects. If you work across multiple teams, this is where you'll switch between them. If you don't immediately see Workspaces, look for it in the bottom navigation or the home panel, as the layout can vary slightly by device. Next, choose the board you want and tap it to open. A board is where your project lives, the place that holds your items, groups, and columns. If you have a long list of boards, use the search at the top or your favorites to find it faster. Once the board opens, give it a second to fully load, especially if you're on a slower connection or the board has a lot of data. Now find the item you want to update. Items are the individual rows in your board. Think tasks, deliverables, or milestones. You can scroll through the groups, collapse or expand sections if needed, or use the board's search bar to jump directly to the item name. If your board uses filters, make sure the item isn't hidden by an active filter. When you've located the item, tap the status cell for that row. The status column is color-coded and usually shows labels like done, working on it, stuck, or custom names your team has created. If your board has multiple status columns, double-check you're tapping the correct one, such as overall status versus QA status. Tapping the cell will open a list or picker with the available status labels. Finally, tap the new status label you want. The change applies instantly and is saved automatically. You should see the color and text update right away. If your team has automation set up, like notifications, due date adjustments, or integrations, those will trigger based on the new status. If the status doesn't change, you may have limited permissions on that board, so check with your admin or try again after refreshing. That's it. Open the Monday.com app, go to Workspaces, select your board, find the item, tap the status cell, and choose the new status. Quick, reliable, and perfect for staying on top of work wherever you are.